Morning. So I just dropped off Kat. Now it's only 6:30, so I'm gonna try to take a 20-minute nap before I start working. So see you in 20 minutes. Hello! So, hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina kasi medyo sakto lang yung gising ko sa work. But yeah, I'm working from home today. And yeah, so nag-work na ako. It's already 10 a.m. and that's all my updates for you guys for right now. Dapat actually today mag-work ako ng 2 jobs kasi nag-work pa rin ako dun sa part-time ko. But I canceled my second job just because something came up. And yeah, so initially that's why I wanted to vlog today kasi I was gonna work 2 jobs and I was gonna take you guys with me. But yeah, it's okay. But anyways, work muna ako. May meeting ako right now. So, I'll just update you maybe later at lunch or siguro pag off na ako at nandito na si Kat. And we'll just show you what our day is like today. It's a normal weekday. Hey guys, so now it's lunchtime. Well, it's 11:51. But it's lunch. Kain na tayo. Ito yung lunch ko. See, fancy lunch for today's video. Why is it so blurry? There you go. Blurry pa rin siya. Pero ayan. Leftover lang from our dinner the other night. Lobster, broccolini, some mashed potatoes, and shrimp. It's really good. I hope I didn't overheat it. But looks really good. Alright, so 3 o'clock na. And pauwi na rin sa Kat. Like, off din siya ng 3. So, ako, mag-ready na ako for our dinner. So, we can also step out after we snack. And then, yeah. So, I guess watch me. So, Tito and Tita Joy got these for us from the Philippines. And these are so good. So crunchy. They also got these for us. We can get this here. I used to buy this all the time, but not anymore. But I ate like 10 of these today. All of these are pasalubongs from the Philippines. since these have been defrosted from yesterday, siguro magbe-breakfast for dinner na lang kami. So, longganisa and eggs. The salad ready, just because we don't have any ulam with any vegetables, so we just made a salad. I didn't put a lot of tomato because Kat doesn't like the tomatoes, so it's just the mixed greens that you can get anywhere. Some lemon. These are pita crisps. They're very good on salad. Makes you think that you're not using a salad. And then this is just balsamic sauce and olive oil. So those ones, we use this one. This is from Costco. It's very good on any salad. And we just have the normal extra virgin oil. And here's our longanisa, almost done. Scrambled eggs, and then that's it. Now we're just gonna try to clean this up so wala na masyadong gagawin mamaya. We have to throw these garbage later kasi we already have one in here and I'm adding a new one. So yeah, I also made rice because we don't have any anymore, but I only made one cup because I baon pa si Kat for tomorrow, which is this one, and then I have a free lunch tomorrow, so I don't need one. But yeah, anyways, let's wash the dishes. Also, here's my workstation. The couch kind of looks wonky right now because well, we have this cover on. We only have the cover on because like we don't want the couch to get dirty, and if it's dirty, there's less chance we can sell it after we use it. So that's the reason why we have that. And yeah, here's where I work. That's it. Let's wash the dishes.
Can you say something? Did you fart?
Yeah.
Hi. Kakauwi lang natin ng bahay and medyo na late yung uwi natin. Maingay ba? Bakit maingay?
Feeling ko maingay.
Kakauwi lang natin ng bahay. Medyo na late tayo ngayon kasi maraming mga ginagawa sa work.
Oh.
And siguro kakain muna kami bago kami maggalaw-galaw na anything.
True. Wait lang, inayos ko yung exposure. Exposure?
Oh, sure.
Ano kinakain mo?
Kumakain ko ng pastillas, ube, galing sa Pilipinas na pasalubong sa amin nila Tita Joy and Tito Don. If you guys are watching, thank you so much. Siguro hindi nila makikita to pero thank you pa din. Mahap.
Alright, we're gonna have dinner first. There's our dinner. It's just breakfast with salad.
Longganisa with a twist.
Alright, let's eat. While watching Judy. So, I think that was it. Nag-gym lang kami ni Kat for like an hour, and then dumaan kami ng London Drugs to buy soy milk. And then now we're just getting ready for bed. It's 7:55, so we're just getting ready for bed. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. I just gotta do our dishes from our dinner. And that's it. I guess I'll update you later when Kat's here also. I just have friends playing in the background, and I'm gonna wash dishes.